The best iPad deals, how to choose the right tablet for you. If you're looking for a new tablet, you might be wondering which iPad model is the best fit for your needs and budget. Apple offers a range of iPads, from the affordable and versatile 10.2-inch iPad to the powerful and premium 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Each iPad has its own features, its specifications, and price point, so it can be hard to compare them and find the best deal. As you can see from the chart here, there are significant differences between the iPad models in terms of display quality, performance, storage capacity, camera features, and price. Here are some questions you can ask yourself to narrow down your choices. How much are you willing to spend? The cheapest iPad is a 10.2-inch model, which starts at $269. The most expensive iPad is the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, which can go up to $2,199, depending on the storage option. You can also look for discounts and deals from various retailers and online stores. How big do you want your screen to be? The smallest iPad is the iPad mini, which has an 8.3-inch display. The largest iPad is the iPad Pro, which has a 12.9-inch display. The screen size affects the portability and usability of the tablet. If you want a compact and lightweight device that you can easily carry around, you might prefer the iPad mini. If you want a large and immersive screen that can handle multitasking and creative work, you might prefer the iPad Pro. How powerful do you need your tablet to be? The most powerful iPad is the iPad Pro, which has the M1 chip that's also used in some Mac computers. The M1 chip offers fast performance, smooth graphics, and long battery life. The iPad Pro is ideal for professionals and enthusiasts who need a tablet that can run demanding apps, games, and tasks. The least powerful iPad is the 10.2-inch model, which has the A13 chip that's also used in the iPhone 11. The A13 chip offers decent performance, but it might struggle with some intensive apps, games, and tasks. The 10.2-inch iPad is suitable for casual users who need a tablet for basic functions such as web browsing, streaming, and light work. How much storage do you need? The storage capacity of the iPad ranges from 64 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. The amount of storage you need depends on how much data you want to store on your device, such as photos, videos, music, apps, games, and documents. If you use cloud services or external drives to store your data, you might not need a lot of storage. If you store a lot of data on your device, you might need more storage. You should also consider that some apps and games can take up a lot of space, especially if they're frequently updated. How important are the camera features for you? The camera quality and features of the iPad vary depending on the model. The best camera is on the iPad Pro, which has a 12-megapixel front camera with center stage, which automatically adjusts the camera angle and zooms to keep you in focus during video calls. The iPad Pro also has a 12-megapixel wide and 10-megapixel ultra-wide rear cameras with LiDAR scanner and True Tone flash, which can capture stunning photos and videos in various lighting conditions and modes. The iPad Pro also supports HDR video recording and Dolby Vision playback. The worst camera is on the 10.9-inch iPad Air, which has a 7-megapixel front camera and a 12-megapixel rear camera with focus pixels, which can take decent photos and videos, but is not as impressive as the iPad Pro. These are some of the factors you should consider when you're choosing an iPad. Of course, you should also think about your personal preferences and your usage patterns. You might have other criteria that are more important to you, such as the design, the color, the accessories, or the warranty. Ultimately, the best iPad deal is the one that meets your needs and expectations at a reasonable price.